much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching.
For me, my Obibia Aquaba, the Batu, my GH, Emunia Bam, so for Mexico, and I'm did you may ever so and that Yante Asempa, I will sema. A sea Ghana Hana Chile say a year and will make the papa and a day, yet Gina a year and a day so as more BBA shedding on my Ghana and a year former President J.J. Rollins a bushing phone na your mom shedding na yet Obiwa yen Kanichi as them so a year of woo there. Achiche insem bebre edi aba assembly ebie assemble fro epono na insem yi eye general champon na emribi oye the head of state for 6 years ne baba awode nana sewa champon dia betu dwa se eye ye former president wo ye ne de ase wo easy kra wo simple na okay owu a oma wono papa wu ya na kire se owu radio mu ne se ofili cheat pa na nsem yi nkirebu wom amama to mensa friend aye papa apostle adman prempa woni mu de onimaba kwasem chete ye katete nsem a woni mu pa se on be kan ye ho na enye nsem yi ye nchechense mu etefo na ahwefo mu fa mu endi echire apostle me ma wakwaba
ya mia media merci na also what is saying
ya me adum apostle me ho ye na busiafo nso
busiafo yakoba adum obia ho ye kama woni bi no na also ukunu ne fie nso
ya me adum
yo
ya ye fan
yo sami ya jidi se nyame aboaye na ade akyen na ya besi nkonwan die na je se nyame odoyen
no correct apostle Andrew Yante Asempa ex-president we free mu ni sensem ya abeto de wadwen kire wo ho anything
merci edika no yakopon hira o hira cameraman na edman for director na ni edman for na urade mo nosomdwie na fidie kesi enkoso antre
amen
o Yesu Kristo di mu afenso me ma omampani dada JJ Rollins oni na busuafo na kro do adma Rollins ne me na no yako ani shedi NDC for one ye founder of the party
no correct
ndi mo mo shedi ni yako and the whole Ghana so ma ye nyina shedi if say odupon atutu sana kamvo especially asante men di pakesie bi wu di pamama bi wu ni pa bi a owo din kese no owu pe eso odupon atutu se ni pakesie bi wu so enti JJ Rollins the action man bema be yebi wa me yeni nyina ebre na so na okono ne kreachi ada ne benkum so so busam se eho asem obibi ka ho a jeje de me samre no me de na me mani afie na me ye adwuma wo town country planning department as a technical assistant draftsman enti me from 18 April 79 in the 15 June and I say obi akoye kuso kotu akofunu ma ban yeto Any action. Yes, so you will need be back. Your friend J.J. Lawrence. The next said, so it will lose you. Dear, yet it was. According to source, Rangers are saying on the suit of one city. Sabi, I think I've got Mutim. I will, Obia, so be deep on it. So, or know what Yakunyasu, and now could tell 2 million. Now, so Baby Puna if you are. Just say, Kun, oh, yeah. It is a, Memuya, Minyadi. And you walk on a 2 things a life and death. Warning come, I do not know. It was a children, and I come to June for no, and I give you not think. So, Anna, we say a reply, wouldn't reply. Dear, a year friends, a fit of war, a use a year, man, in Copopi, you should be. It is too boring in your too.
Ah, you should tune a boring.
Well, so say
any kind.
Ah, only most of the phone. So, by say, who will come? Wobedi, obedi ade. It was only a tower. One yow, sow. Or do not find young and son of Bokun Crabokun.
Sir,
It is a one on the Koshe Gawu. Shall Kudus was set in the best at 3. It is a deputy, your friend captain, watching guy. And a doom for now done and do a dear king. How much here, dear, but it's social media, you know. No radio stations in North to say, some TV, and one a bind the young any GPC. Hey, now, announcement about. Say, Jejana, or Mochino 2 prison, or Piaba, I will 2 penny for if you want.
how?
I'm a moja, I can say cool the target. And Yadikatua, could be any one moja if you move. The end, I stood of one lie. It was no over 2 or so more, but you want. Hey! There some of Ghana, how you did some of me walk massing. As soon as I didn't so think, and Cransony Kumasina, a trendy anytime we are Ghana. I mean, one.
Now, sometimes now in Kwafuko Ben, I say, Akonyane Swa.
Hey,
What to me, SKP, I call to Akonyane Swa.
Okay, and Kwafukra, a woman on a Supreme Military Council, number 1. A year, a champion, 1970. January 1972. Eno kotu Prime Minister Dr. K.A. Bizia. Ena ye civilian who and not a democratic who. Eno two on independent for free ho. Eno tra konyano swa kosi 1978. Ena na champion so ni deputy yo dinechi. Eni Akufu. Ena Akufu no avena de enema a champion si ya no. Ne ha hom did I go go transfer me a meeting or Casa and man hands of his own resign and or resign for resign come
A champion now Rollins.
Debbie next I will be some home there's a and some one is be you cool no be chiri
Okay.
One me point no aha so we say one net oh na me come on when and some home into tie
woman if I hear mu bi Ghana for bebre nti omo
Anna, your friend saying, Omodi, handcuff, no, a friend saying, your man warning, just say, you say one resign. Aha, and no, all resign, or trade pen or resign. And no one so that Tadiano, no promise won't continue. Anna, a Kufu Bay leader. Dear, your friend, SMC1, SMC2, Supreme Military Council number 2. And a Kufu no be 78 to 79. And the you can't be behind him. And the 79 and a judge no every 2 are buying 2 years. And a make sure say, you 2, the boy with any day, pension, I want also what you you will move you and you two Kasai. A two Kasai. Moja Yagui. Nana assembling in house no. So call Matthew 24, verse 3 to 8 year. Papa Yesu can't be. Was it? But some kind. Na ubia etiasi bibi si wiase kwa ya je nkwa wa kan se bebilegu ho na ebam na Matthew 24 was say na otenwo boso enwo boso no sefo no eba ni nchen ba bi be kan se ka kire da be ni wenu be ye ho na je be ne be ye wo ba ni wiase awie ye ho nsenkire ni na Yesu bu ase won se monhwem ho yie obi amedada mo na obi amedada mo na nipa bebre di midin ba kasa mi ni Kristo no wa bedada nipa pi na mbati okon ani akosem monhwe no makoma ntu efiri se etwase ye den eba enso na wieye no enya nnori na oman be sori oman so ani ahini esu asori ahini esu na kom ni asase woso ebeba amiamia na wenu nyina eye awoko yi aw mfiti ase unzo je asase woso beba miamia the best places ani ekom beba ni nyina still ekoso. Oh, na ahiniye be sorry ahiniye no. Kingdom shall rise against kingdom. In the sadianka, yeti was say MPP ahiniye ene di also. Beboa.
No correct.
Aha. Edi ka MPP ahiniye we. Na obi nso asore se metuna firi ho. Na kwa ba betuna firi ho. Ahiniye sorry ahiniye se o man mu no. Obi be sorry. Na wa kontia ahiniye a ote ho no. O yi firi ho no nso ayi den. Aba.
Enti Satan ni kwa sa eye ne ye ni si ye ni po o pa kire se eye ade a yakanto wa
eye nkonhye etwase bem because 1979 they see you unze Rollins emra onya chance na opie no Boachijan Captain Boachijan ene ni troops ekoko kum ya kum ni po spray Missy Kudie nipa ewu no chance asoja bodu ba bia mo nipa kum de mo mfa anya omu niuso
say hard training na omu
ya soja titiri nyina David Mumeso Nebuchadnezzar Alexander the Great no so jazie friends pilot any woman kika ho no asoja fo tititi no amai sori amai so ahini so enti e ba sa no na onya chance no he say obi edi boy pra etutu boy re na wapie wonya chance aba na obenya sa nipa no wo di aba bo wo pramre ana kyerebere se ukun na entimi wantimi yankun na kyerebere no ana pramre no wo nya chance na se oso mu a enu atwase wo aba den obeka wo because what han wo penekum to so obeka okun sa ne koye 79 edi jeje baaye no na sampanifo ni nyina so onim de omo ye ho and that time so in fact mercy na Ghana say papa ni nya hwehwe nto man mu
e won na ese wukumu ma ye sampanifo
the reason why Rollins be ye cool no ekunkum ni pa no me chew
enwunya fa
sa cool ni baaye no na corruption ena corruption de ketwa
ene corruption ene corruption ye
yes ye ketwa se me chire omu ba ena se nya samana to dware
no krai
ye nya mere keto de ye ehunu adi eye eti no
se twa ye hu poashi
mese kane no samre no pa no kwa unya bi nto wunya samre nto nware wunya mereke enum wunya emu ento supermarket nyina hwini ho
ana wunji ndi se sata meni bie bebebe a emba ye nti ne ma nyoma sa na nya available to say ene mrei mu
da bi nya di me ni wo friends ni bie bebebe bia because empenufo no mo man mu sabe na that time no na nipa bebre entua tax wo man mu country bia so ye tax na chechire wo man eto obi entua friends entua the tax enti penifo no cha wo ba bia wo ma obi BBC kan kakra dia na ade bia yeso yema no yema wo aban dia o se adima no yemfa nkoma no na yeso wo to ho sika na wo mudi
enti ni kai se credit ni wo
na David no credit ni se ba bia corruption wo bia no credit ni ho o man bia corruption wo bia no ye nkan kora wo man no to enti ekoba sa no na ye nya hwe samna be na nya nti bia wo mu ba television wa man ye say supermarket bi wo ha say government de samuna ene mu asichire no e di aba ni ye ko salai na Mercy la na be sa no so ja fo so na e check line no na nsuo nkan ne pa ho kakra hwe be hwew enti ne nipa ye mmobo enti samuna bi bai na obi ena ye samuna no ye frɛ no don't touch me samuna no na a local one wodu nsa so mu bi twi samuna ne ade a bonse anane na anane sisi ana se na nsa ho pa so ayeden ehwɛ ni hwane enti na ho a na corruption ye too much na me ye adwuma town planning no na busumi bia ne ye beton provisions at the mine because you come market here you won't get it
into but say ni abakwasem can say some men no na mpenifo no one mo dey aban no like state ni sika no yom wealth like omo the yom omo hunyoma any fawoto certain times bia ye beto ya fawoto ji golf and you ya some men na
me come back and some men no so and enye nyina aye basa wo manum eti no anu si yete wo manum saa ena ye si apini Proverbs 29 verse 2 awurade ka sem bi se Proverbs 29 verse 2 awurade say be se muntio ye ekoso no ye ntia we ba nyankopon atworo aka nsem bebre e de ato aman enti Proverbs 29:2 no was say atene for dɔso a ɔman ani gye na ɔbɔne for diso a ɔman esi apini
ɔman ne bre
ebre enti samu ne ebre enti ayi civil servants ne ebre students no mo bre enti bibia enti sɛ ayi enema no wa yɛ nsa no wo kotobia sa buy the bus for market bi na kotobia ne bo den ending enti na che say ye hunu ne ye nye ho enti ho anye ti say sa JJ Rollins wa ye cool first one feri second one was succeed
wa sa ye cool biem
we two times
emu wanu no sa ye cool ne nyoma mu be ye de sa ye cool
emu ye den no ye cool no ena o ye cool wie no ena wo champion ni nyina ena sa ayi penivo wenu ayi oma firing squad 26 June ayi kunu ye 4 June eti 26 June almost 21 days and ye ti se twa kasa
na eye champion general champion
sawe champion de ofio na ho a se ono na olidi ayi government no
ona olidi
wona no ono ko fa baaye ena de wo ye enyanti ena ne nkrofo na epam no firi ho so ono wo baaye wo je wo kan se bi se muti bibi se esi fa to beji go a champion no sa ena no de Ghana sky eti wo be fa oba ohu fa wo pewa ono da ka bi ba so ni afra no golf VW small Porsche car bi eti we are no atama we are not on it sir wo says Ghana sika basa
ena tene po be chesi wo oba na be se na be fa ofie ni ma na be bia wo ta fa se na be ya wo benya golf
enti mercy enti na ma ye to ni dini fa auto be di golf ni sa wote atem bia na ye kan fa auto be di golf wa ase kire na ma kire ho no ena nti akufu no mo pam no firi ho ena ayi owo ayi wonu be ye leader na ye say Supreme Military Council part 1 Supreme Military Council part 2 eni nyaaye ena won is by no be ye ku no yi wo mfiri ho enti 26 June ena odo mu nyina call peshi epona no ho ni e take firing squad
na chese ye former president John Rollins no ena oda ye ma ye kun sa mpedi
enya en kre Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rollins so on na ye leader wo dia se ene sam penifo ni nyina wona oda se ye nkonko kum wo mu nyina ye nyu wo mu firi wo no ma no nyu eti firing squad ne ba se pe afei Ghana Kumasi me ho na wo samre no emu aye sei din
na pastor na won jin di se sa action na wo tu ye no na ye tu hashma eye impenifo no as samre no that action na wo fa ye say ye nkoku omu nyina mfiri wo so mo di oman ni sika na so mo ye omu di oman ni sika ye nyoma bia enya And then we say you bet me at you woman I said there are so many ways and how bet to me handle since other say yeah military firing squad every man sir in 24.
Yo, mess me that say. Who say a soldier for Mranko. And a positive one to Mranko. What you say? Soldier ni di o man so a so mo say. And at that time no, yeah, obi ano obi e da company bi ano. What this ka bebre. And na obosa no papa na GBC news 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock ni announce ni abo obi din Mr. So and so of Sunyan at this company report at Accra.
That is report.
There's a report at Gonda Barracks tomorrow morning by 9 a.m. or face revolutionary action or consequences. It is said, there is always Sunyan or Takradi Wobia. Let us say, your friend was no so Simon Agunao, and yes, I never told. So that one of the Chua, and it is a Kaunam. It is no more or man who, oh, quite yes, over Sega room. Nenny, soldier action here, and you will face people. Why? Because of be a bad flow, say what this canon, and the bra. Never you want to say, never say, we are corrupt. So, there's what we are, or mine, a sicker. What of manager Paddy, Eddie Fabra. Oh, any next can go for a Tresica. One way to Tresica be breed.
Now, first to the mammy chip, you share, sir, action you're taking yet. Any war, a chi in some semi elbow bobano. Now she action no take it those time no. Na me say so take that action no. Because in Fukuya woku womu on a baba kona sisi a wa story or then some betu just say. Former president to wo and they ask wo easy wo simple. If it's of cheated the way on papa woo yes woo no. And yes all time former president but that wo no feel say papa woo ye.
Yo.
Now we share no san ya beto J any action former president FI no na anka.
Are you president Mercy? Oh, who be some no pa. O se obi enu ho a obekum ni papa. Obekum ni maame. Ya na ni be je wo sa nipa na wo di sa ewu no ho da. Me papa na aye ni sa enyem de. Enti me kasa. Enti say Jeje wa tono kon ene wa wuo ene ono yamfe tu amono yamfa ba amono wanyare ya na ho ampro so ka obi nko ananka wa pro da ho so ene amane sa no eti wo bekasa because oye nipa odi ase no okuni papa ya so enti no tamwa jeje yes akunkun panifo twi bi ni mo aso ene wo mo ewu a kire kura kan ho de any yamba ma out to ground any people want to mean guy. Nemo so say adie no ba ye no. Say akoye say enipa no wo ma tomna no soja ni so wa ba no. O so odi ni soja emra no eye adwuma. So do before complain. Enti wo mu nyina no na awurade nso aka nsem bi ato. Enti yekunu panfo no ya anya wo ayie. Yensie wo mu obi ensu go jeje once my warning so bia we be sin konya say wo ye wie yes
time no
since am to me ni kuta no
na be din nsu je say me yensie wo
na so je ni o ayi o man so no ye bi no ma warning e ka kire wo say sango bo ye ko mu ma obi a enya wo mayi a ma me kire obi asipen Jeremiah.
Before I be Ramononka, me read the comment kakra.
You.
Comment aba, Rasman Milink. I like this topic today. Answer Israel, welcome back, Apostle. We have missed you in depth analyzing on current issues. We are ready to listen to you. Mercy, you look great. Too much. GH, no size. And Rasmina Link on also JJ Rollins killed my father and collapsed his business, but I forgive him. Philip Owusu said, please, let's leave everything to God. Esther offend, but people say it's not true. They remove his nails. Also, people in Crawford cancer and the boy and I 2 years no, and yet I'm patenting. So, bet me, ya no manipano.
Me ya no ba.
And Maxwell, a do Jemfi, useless presentation. And also at Maxwell, Obi said, why useless? We are learning from an experienced person. Esther Coffin, because I have never heard from Rollins himself saying they remove his nails. And you don't know what I say. San and nails no more can yampa. Augustina and Ghanaians must learn from JJ because he left a good legacy. If we do so, Ghana will develop. But Apostle, before I bet to ask me, person will continue from the via would you see ye? Say abayu anababe kasa wo ne papa wo ye no na
Yeah.
Rollins ne ya wo ye no na enko e be bia wodu ye no to asoma
Yo, antina me kire se friends sa woodie na course on firing squad no sa no mo kan firing squad ya a course ni pa wu that time no be kire se time na o man Ghana eden asai na nye ni empanifo bi no dodo no an no mama o man na jija na adwuma ho den sikasem nkoyiye na ahiafo obre etemra jeje wronse eye ku no wo ma support no woni nkofokro civilian I go friend say abadwuma efo eye civil servants
omo ye adwuma 24 na
yeah civil servants e promote nu papa civil servants and students university, secondary schools, and money I know. They know man no come. No school for you now much. Eti, a man school for any G into him they know yet. You know what can say? J sorry. Obon some pese or say woman. J sorry. So eti no one to us on JJ no. One say have junior Jesus. Junior Jesus, JJ no. If Ghana has said, or your junior Jesus, something near Canada that time.
Oh, it's not like this, junior Jesus.
And the junior Jesus, and the air can say, let the blood flow, let the blood flow, kill all the elders, kill all the leaders, kill all JJ, sorry. Obon some person or say, woman, and then lead the beer super do man, ever do my show. Not students, a Jew too. Civil servants. Etaochi Masa what you any a born abaso this is jeje that time no odi akira can you person no bekum any papa 100 people and if you one kum ye ne so kum suma se ebi nmu ade di BCA suma se no ye dia any I don't know so na enti amna ekoso sa no na amanfo adwa enti wo mo a eti se ma asen ma ne hye skirt ntiantia no ani atade a echichiri ho kechiri wo no mi akuma se na ekọ asafo market wo gabi na atade hye ntiatia bibi ko no mu se nipa twa wo hyiga na mi nipa de kontimi ko pie so no na abaya bi no jana sojani no edi sika to ho se won koto no wonfa o kutu awano wo di tu abonisisi mu pan wo buahe
adentia
say atade a shan na nyeren enye edwoma atade o mu pa kire say oba bia andress ye that time na nye yizo enkonkonte abeti ayedie puwu ayedie asoja fo no akogina ma me na wotete no tete no control prices tete no control
and military rule ankasa
je buy no enye ma nyina be ye control. Because I be tell that sometimes 50% no 50% no not just any board in power no or 10 10% 20% so you need to how now what am I
and to better under control about to my mean chipping who share near omoni ya na enye na ekoba say ex-president Jerry John Rawlinson so etu anamobi saa time on ash ye can say action no take it and ash one no take it 80 asanko free na ne be ya ba out sa be di ne ho ya emrimpa wo wi na uji di say anka Rollins onu ne ho patcho wo kwan bi so ana sankofukuo yi Rollins ebusuafo ana mpanyifo no etimi e compensate omo ana
yo mess me that say ohun so dan hin eya de a ono onu no ho on kan kira so pa chow so because ono no botaye eni adwene e woni tirimu ni say o man no mpanimfo no ese no eti obeyi wo mafiri ho eti obie no obehunu mobo anka de wo kan de abusuafo no kan no anka ne kwan ano ka oso ga obetumi aba out abe pacho but the soldier for enyen sa a soldier for mo life go the soldier for tisi kuromu a the soldier for be di o man so a no man na sa we dey see atia sisi a approach for civilian democracy coswe na police ni a unse da emfiri fie bia papa meboa but soldier ni a unse wo hunu mema wo hunu obema unse COVID-19 kure bayi na won government dey your police for ni ade what your soldier for be again e be frame a soldier for no bemu a mo te Ghana for ye ho so ni esuro so na komche bi ba Jeremiah time wo se baba Yesu di ka say ahiniye e be sori ahiniye so so eti ohini bi be sori ohini bi so eti etasa bem ene Ghana ye de bem 1979 time odi ase ena Jeremiah 16 verse 5 or say na say urade sie nie monhye efia osumu no na enko ayiase na enyam won efiri se mayim asumdue afiri wo mai so urade asem nie mayi adoye ni moburuhu na nipa akese eni nkuma ebewu asase nipa akese ni nkuma bewu asase so wonhie won na wonye won ayie obiara mo tikwa emma won hwe won enkum sho Israel asase so tomle bi nyame suma Nebuchadnezzar every Babylon edi no ba Israel asase so ebe kum Israel for prepare wo sai ma bebre onyame ne take his action through Nebuchadnezzar eso no onyankopon ne yeye Daniel chapter 2 verse 20 no was say me ewurade enemy see here me mahin for so enemy tia him for me na me see here na enemy dini pa nyina ahini esutumi Daniel chapter 4 no wo kan emra Nebuchadnezzar oya hantan ne nyankopon ka say wo Nebuchadnezzar be pam wo firi nipam akotan wiem na ba wi that say na ntwie dem ranso ye 7 years etwa utiri so na me ma kira wo nyankopon se me nyankopon ma kira wo se me na me di onipa ahini nyina so tumi na me de ma obiara wo pe buka Daniel chapter 4 verse 28 down wo hu sa asam wo so eto nyankopon ne di nipa ahini nyina so tumi the whole world ye Israel kwa o di ase enti Israel ba sa no samre no enipa akese eni nketo awui ya nsie wo mu ya nya mo yiye 1979 Ghana hade no Rollins kumsa afirifa feli awudomi amindomi eni kotei ena kufu eni e champion no obi antima nye wo mayiye yensie wo mo nso wana kwaje ifun ko sie wana timi ko Rollins anim kwaje fun akosie ashe ma jeje Rollins obuada na obo so okwa una yakun papa no pe ba bi adwane afa
ebiane e de won so abeta
oh ni sani adem asam ni sitie so edi ampanso se di nyame asam sitie no ebi si Israel ni ba kase penifo eni nkwana wuyi mrantie mabawa wuyi ya nsie wo ya nya mo yiye ya obi antimi ankwasi enya yiye nsinkonwa se enipa emra so enti ebi ne si Ghana ha so enti up to date tanko ya nya mo yiye so mo ye nipa kase
Apostle Ray akoba ni say ya wo kan won sem ntie won sem apache say soje ni de be din say obe apologizing na ye mpanifo asat now ending the bush and phone, there is no way on bet to me. I show remorse be. I must say bush and for your mulusu or money pay, or papa no money. There is no way I'm paying for me to be a fassa.
Oh, anyway, said ya wo Canadian can kwan no nipa nuan wo nipa. Bibia sense wo bibi nye yi. O ti ase. Enti no enka sa de we. Obe kanka former president Ajekum Kufuor. Wo se Kufuor ba ye ma Ronnie Sifile kunyo no se pe. Eni ye papa ye pani Kufuor. Wa ye bibi ye friend homecoming. What is it you no so? No, o Ghana ye no muti Ghana. No, where then was Ghana? O si ane ye becho. Eti no nyina pogu aburikire any other countries. Such as here, eti no muti bi ma ade di agege to ho. Uba obeso mo so a. Untimi fa hu ni. O di country ni call democratic rule kura no. Say no muti ma until Kufuor eba no ye bibi e friend homecoming bibi sa ena wo mo ewa control mu nyina etimi baaye so na answer na oyi we jeje ni deputy na friend captain Boachi Jan no so abroche no ntimi ma aso na ni deputy no 79 wo ni de a no ankwa mami ka secret mami ka some chero hwe kare sika wo mo gigiye that time no Rollins no correct sika papa Armed Forces Revolutionary Council AFRC. Now Rollins ye chairman and now when any deputy Boachi Jan and a Boachi Jan no sika what you wait no obi akotue sika no one mu tue sika ene radio so de ene nya agrokura 79 3 months ago what the 3 months pen no koye anta no was ababiu 3 months pen no sika o correct free ni pa ho. And the says Captain Boachi Jan on mass one boom or the cut now with it.
When so many yes, I am. And this can continue on the cut answer. UK will say, no, what now? Eddie, second time now, one is buying. Want to make Ghana? Say, oh, that anybody is an in yet. And you know, Sanka, Abusian. Any omo aye bibi no ye hwere ye ma ye nana no ye papa no ye ma me no ne ade no because aban ebetumi ye bibi na mka senka president Kufuor oba that time no oye bidie nenso went
oye bi pa so ama oma abusuafo ni na ya akọ that time no Kufuor time oma abusuafo ni na ya akọ so but ade no enya sey wie o nya me che no benefo say dia moadie no ye ni nko na dia aka no ene egbo ho ban se na be ya soja ban ensa ma emekunkum nipa en take control enye de ope no ene ase hweyi but jeje Warren stamo ba ye no ene ye de ni akokoduro me na me friend the bravest man in Ghana. The whole Ghana see.
I was in your kind of crazy person me bisa say say ni ya wo be ya ni sa time ni ekokọ so na former president JJ Rawlings or wicked man ne action so take here no Putin say oye otimwademfo ana say sa mre ni de na action so take here na eno ano no.
Yes. Kare sa mre de na ye say de no man na sia ye no. So, who said, Onyankopon or the nipa, or nam nipa soon will be wo my BM. Israel must say, we be sa. A punishing go, Jesus young come 20, Luke 21, verse 24. O catch is that you shall fall by the edge of the sword, and shall be led away captives into all nations, and Jerusalem shall be trodden down of the Gentiles, and the Gentiles will capture the nation. So until the time of the Gentiles be fulfilled. 70 AD, Ocean come 33 AD. 70 AD, and commission Roman general Titus from Rome, and will buy Jerusalem. The city used to come or blast it, or the just to a sword down was Shino, or Kunkumi Israel, and was say, a binum, ever from the moon, or my in Aso. so tia se na wo mu nyina ebinim dwane he ekotratra nkofo kuro so wo Israel nkoem enti se oman wo ho na enieme nkoyi obi di oman so na o se obonifo di oman so a enipa ewo mu si apim Proverbs 29:2 no o se emanipa no ye den ye bere adentira chese kuro no ewudie enieme boni na ekoso tabia boni doso oman mu a Nyankopon ye action bise nipa ye nye nipa so onten ena nipa nso so tabi boni ahye nipa mena nibra no doso eno nti ena ma o yes ade no enti saade no that time eni ye nyina ye support jeje me na me penation ba yes because I'm sumi ye civil servant ka se na ni timu ye o ye wudi samra de no bia ni ho susu se jeje eyo udifo ana onipa boni ko bi je se obi a wo kum papa wo kum busiani ena wo sami ne me kwan ka me anya me de omo ade atom wo mo ni ade atom ni no wo mo na ka so ye nipa boni
but no share reasons or the two and about dia
reasons me de na je say ye wo say nipa abibifo Ghana fo ye nterefo hwede jeje ye 1979 senior sales military officers timi ma hom fan squad ministers of parliament woman ye wo edide de nyuma kese akese director general na executive ayi muni ade hwede o man na ye hwede se di o man na si aye what you say what na min kan chiro onyame fa ncheme na o banche Ghana fo nyina no hu ye mobo anya sa ni so da ni bi sore e wo Ghana ha jeje tamu no ye ketwa
ewali mempare ye
ana me kenya
yentimi san ko
ana me kenya because ye mpani fo no bi no e sika ni pirefo
na apostle Satan now ruling now or the dictatorship they ruling and democracy
the dictatorship democracy way enti ono way say what buy for 3 months was a house cleaning exercise tete ye fie ni mo ye fi
eti wo be prem
san no kan ho na 3 months no sam na oba ye no ne ye campaign ni e sa be to ababuvuro ema ayi Dr. Hilary Mam enti ba sa no nyina no so wo nkoso nye campaign no won de obedi 3 months pe 90 days owi a hande over ampa ana ayi ye to aba no ye to aba na Dr. Hilary Imam eno owi ni ye tie ni yo owi ni no tena konya no so Rollins di ni si so enti Rollins kan se won hwe oman ni ye no on to ade wa ba ye no so anye so be sa ba biu eno o tie konya no so tie de dia 81 ba ye no avedie karabule ni ebra no yesu tem se karabule ayo man ma just azra 419 and I say corruption ayo man ma enti o se mo anye ni ye dia be sa maba ena o metra onti imam sunso e pepeni sabi wo yesemuni vele imam metra ho no a na ni mpani fo no imam was a justice president Dr. Hilary Imam na ni mpani fo ye didi gunu ba disem afedi na karabule no de enti awro si samba wo ba ye betu wo mu firi ho a wo kra mu house cleaning exercise no afedi e che first no e na unim Ghana fo especially yen akamfo ya say liman wa rebe sesa de gu kase ho wa se ho endi avekwa de karabule konti jina bu na ere aba se ugina ho ani ebu ugina woni tie mpa ne nipa wo bu kom wo sisa usika no ojo ne ma no ye say no manage me ene December 31st 81 ya ti ya say je ja sa ba bio
o sha nyoma nkoyi apostle mayen read the comment kakana yensa ento aso eye nuaba Augustina answer Nisem Osi Ghanaians must learn from JJ because he left a good legacy. If we do so, Ghana will develop. And I baby to the Jesse M. Osi love you all. Or no one to say God bless you all. Stay blessed. And Sarah Asante Osi show me a perfect person on this earth. And yes, Sarah Asante someone will also come. And Servant 1 TV. I say, I am going to fight any man or woman young or old, that try to destroy Papa J legacy. Hey, Obisweni Abrepao, answer Israel to say JJ came to eradicate corruption from 1976 to 1979. He served his mission well, though there were some misfortunes. Obin studio diaba. Country milk or see Rollins ran after my father at Kanda. GBC wanted to kill him and let my father in pain after he left his boys catch my daddy and let him in pain able that men do live after them. May God forgive him. Or also no. And Evans Amankwa or see please stop that talk. Let him rest in peace. Or also free said Kasa wait na wunya so wunya pa bebre entin yo mebi ase enti ebobo hu sa na no so menyo mo wonti ase Iraq or so say I just joined this nonsense. Better I go what goat chew grass or so actually na adwen ye be fa ne sa Miss Gambino or so say at Serasante, if your parent was killed at that time, you won't be spewing this nonsense or also actually adjacent to kwa esiwaha. Answer Israel, in order to stop corruption, blood has to shed. Or also free said, before corruption, just that he went too far. Nice presentation from apostle, real historian, and a pastor. Yamishra. Adams Isaac into say, Madam, why? Minim BNT, I also minim yon neko. And I see pretty, asemo. And I made Gambino answer Israel and has the corruption stopped? Or Patrick said, yeah, the former president Beye in Ghana, corruption, a jai, a gusu, apostle. Now, yen sure apostle, who shares an year president, Jerry John Rawlings. Yeah. Na do na kasa still corruption go so so not just say corruption kasa obi say mo je hwe corruption be jai corruption and kasa se see the emphasis see system then they be to me as stopping this corruption.
Yo merci sound so that was it the 79 so unya 50 years here thought as here who your course because it's now 41 years. 79 to 220 no 2020 no 41 years and the over 45 crown that time no sir what you say and you hu pa na bia 50 years and the so betimi atin sem we ya na say history and okin kan abakosem me de enye abakosem book bi na nsem ni si ya makokin kan yo
na wo
me de na me wo Ghana na me tikumase o say kroma branche na mo honam ye aduma tan county planning department me kan hu bi ne call demonstration me support JJ said let the blood flow kill all the leaders JJ sorry obun sam pese o say woman na me kan hu bi ene ye edi de course no me huni JJ ba kumase oba kumase relation wo mu no na oba was so person ni pa nyina ye equal sikafo ni ehia for ye pe
aha siasa mu na no
mami jo obaye rally wo Abis Park e wo Kumasi park wona mi jira obi edom me because obi ho anu so secret no otwe tamre no nim jot no obi tonsio no o ayi ni kwansi no tonsio bi no onom jeje baye na toilet public toilet no you near from bomba la train as what time when be yi toilet no to me Krobia district capitals and regional capitals and money no o kwasu kra we ho nanso o kwasu bend because am na fie baby one ma toilet ni near toilet wa bontere jeje ba na ni nyina ho o tisim o ne pen for so jafo wo kuta shovel no tibi jeje bottom oh they say of course civilian room kra no wo ye bi won kra wo ye wenu nyina Any boy say, and nipa, I see now, it me up, your doy home. And say, will be to me, Sister Danny, Kenya, no deep, no man, say. Ghana Rose, oh, then you cry from a crowd to Kumasi. Boy, we sing 7 hours, 8 hours. Is that not be blue Kumasi? And I will do cry. So I say, and you never be corso. And the man did buy until my ear pen as a no. You mean corruption does. Corruption is
still standing. And you're obedient to child.
Same thing I make a child say, yes. And you won't tell you. Say, Ghana, she are nearly a woman pay. Next year, you man who say crowd. We say, why will be company for Ghana?
Sir,
share. So that what you say, what we need to say. No, Mr. Your mom pay, you know me who your mom. The BNCBO, Nanya. And at that time, now, or buy you, strong, your bay, ye genie to him. Oh, more than 90% of our nation. And a support to the day, it didn't run. What NDC party no we don't know. Etim kwara some red woman near 10 years, 5 years, 15 years. Nyina near pejeja asem. Jeje nti e ben ashen man. Wo so ba bia boko program bia no. Jeje nko pio pe. No bia ya den. E bona baso. Ni e body.
Now you take that shape because sometimes I won't person ya for this can phone na ye pay. Then ye possible. And ye see oba ufia no we easy way. And ya onyo be bebresi so onyo ma share to.
Na say ni because me no kan. E be take ye be 2 3 hours.
E won because it is for na share for you ready pass on move.
Oh yeah, media man ni ya gani. Firi. Kumase. O panibi. Me money din. Run is man so sabi ebini. Our dashbin. Unja kanena water closet no ni adisa no na nhede ni ho this be departments be corporations ni obi a wosika akra osin dai na otumi yes ade no eti no ye ko dashbin na nkofo bi a mo so abiri no no ma ba be yini ediko dashbin kesie bi ebina ye ma no de asoa no me moni din god me boni din a oye pani
oti ase na
o tese oh na odi ebini soa no firi ayi nam kejetia adum enam ye chinchin ho nyina oda firi akra ba se enye disa because one say corrupt obi ti ye jedin no afedro no anom no awu sami denai me se me huni kuma se na nam
just wudi money na no you ready say tia na eba
kejetia na de say ya ho kama yi runabout kese na ho wo mo ye corrupt no e man ni mema na soja for the table si wo ni e de wo mabutu so ye twa wa chiri ma pa na me su enya sam ketwa because of corruption wo se ne nipa sikanti enokura nya dwuma sikanti and o my Ghana etumi nkoyi sikanti and students woman school obi kuta grade 1 you can say university for first degree second degree onya duma nyati Ghana ha eso before JJ me se me catch you say obi university ya ma ka ni ma bonro ebi a 2 bedroom apartment na no yire no man makotem woduma da ho wi school na be woduma ti say de nkana abrochire na atis ha bepe uko school wi a uko education ho woduma ho a oboko akoye san na tie efiri wodi be sinne eni hobio adentia nipa di scan basa reza obiti Ghana omanpani bi ni ministers ni parliamentarian unim obiabie bank account ewo UK obiabie bank account ewo America Asia no mun de keka ho na sika eya o man ni sika no wo de akwa akoto abunchire
na Ghana ba bre
na Ghana vo bre wo te Ghana ha ena wo ka chemro fo no se wo chemro wo pesika ya development na onkrofo ye bre na bia wo bre be se $500 million Na penifo na chedi. Penifo na chegu ye bottom. Mo bi di akoto aboche na ka wo tika na ha. Aboche na wo so okobie account. Wa Mexican kure. Sai bi na koso de teno. Ya jeje ni bi ye no. Ganis kan ya no mo di akoto aboche.
Ya post me tie wo ka se ma wo hwe jeje na kuma. Owo ewo man mu a wo de ye nya wo ye na chese wo ntimi mbone nipa bone da. Chese nya wo ye ye no na ne kwan so a no se ye se wo ye.
Uze Hebrews 22 kura no Bible chese. Say moja enwu ya bone fefere mba. Eti uze Yesu Kristo Yakobo de ne bai no. Sebe ya nipa ebe hunu no kure kwan no. Ya sa kira ya adwene nti. Ena ode ne ba no gba afode mai. So moja gui Yankopon so wan pasa Kristo ni mo ni doba no moja enwu ya. Enka enwiase hu ni beye. Eso still.
About my chip.
Yo.
Former president Awefrim wenya ni baby come may so rest in perfect peace.
Yes.
Now we share akoma na wowo ene abambuo ye mpanifo a omubu oman yo makoma na omuwa we share difference bi wo mu. Sa akoma na wonyama oman Ghana di kumo mo yeso okumo all because of person who say Ghana corruption and they ene mremu se ni omubu man no. We share try and I say yanko back to the way na Jerry John Rawlings, ex-president, now open mine.
Yo, monsieur, me debi amikase. Rawlings, yami fani crazy. Na Rawlings no, say no city no. Emra o change Ghana code from military to civilian rule democracy no. Achire no okwa onu no. Achire onu no. Onu ani nkofo NDC fo no. Ekwa atwana la pa. Me say odi awen NDC fo bebre no mo ni nya wine. He was the founder of the party. What in moja? And odi assign you of as a crata bi. And amu bebre mperasam. Wo de wo wen bo hu nipa ebeka evana ye be kanfo no.
Apostle Samson ne krankrofo akekandida.
Say NDC won and kasa. Na compare other parties. Wo mo kasa no epinu. Ni amori dimpa, no mo penasem. Onu so na tea party mo mobile na mo nya bibia mu die. Na obia aye adwuma se yato na wo bem. Na mo papa no a wo de adwuma no si ho no. Ene mo yiri bo nya ye. Ene mo vale nya hwe. Wo ga se ne kra nya ne ya. Eti wo se ana ayi o te ase no. No on tan kare ho nko. Endi isi mu papa. Eno die enam die pen go no to a o mo de ye ni nta. So ya se. Ena sese no. Wo se NPP for any other parties no. They say obi e bo ni dimpa. Wa be ya de. Wo de re na yi be ye ni Ghana ha. Very kakra.
So you another point.
Wo de tie o wie na juma. So na o sabu Ghana. O sabu ni bibia wie ya o ka tefie no. Abe Ghana sa o te ya. Na fe Junior Jesus na kan ye friend no. And your friend say Junior Judas. Sanu kan. Na o te won ti Ghana. William Tinza. Ni di akoso. Na be ni your friend Junior Judas. Akanvo semfo Ghana ho nyina.
Sa?
Me na me ka kira wo. Junior Judas. Tesa Fredie. Oyi ama. Nipa yo. Onipa de se ni nye.
Na president no nu ne ho se ode
say ayi o ko tena fie no. Ona ohani wo ba de time so ya wo ko ye no. Avene de o mo ye no.
Oh okay.
Nsema ye kagu no so. Atamdidi e koso. Let us say ave onu hu say o handi over what turning our country to democracy. Onye akwanye ko tena so atuna wa. Eno so ebi e bega senye. Enti obeye bi but ojemu be say obi a ye kwabi mami nkabi ene yenkum.
Na but mami yenjina ya sa kabi mami nkabi amambo na eboa. Eboa.
Monsieur Any a more
cabinet cost of our BBM
and more cra as a boy. Because the impel, your pill, and Yaba. The Nina democracy in answer no, now go on the ABBA. So as here, first, I mean, no seeing it. So you war, no, yes, so. David say you were Henry, but no, he was a soldier.
Okay.
Me boy. Can you soldier one and no hole? No police, Bible, no Bible, police is a moon. Be a soldier. Nana Abraham will soldier me. As a doko, Omina soldier for. Israel for if you the what your whole pet near Sato, your child to Israel bow bemo, or you soldier me. Such as here. And he says, democracy now, person near me is seeing it direct. And I said, a true baby no or he be who I was sitting in no money Barbie dinner. No only Barbie dinner. And a true baby was easier once. No, and I bet you will be back. Ubani pedi wadi. Young Twaba. And he has started Acts chapter 1, verse 23 to 25. No, I'm not sure what about Kufi. And I'm making come out.
Apostle.
Mammy can me person I have formed a year where me judgment time me done. And a woman saw a jam woo. What is here? A woman shall go here. Me tower me go was me papa. And oh yes, at that time I come in. Can you me the back kumpo? Eh, ya.
No correct.
Nipa to take human life for the and yet easy. So now so abansa. Oh, any nipa wo wi aso so ye nshada nye papa. Boni wo dwon bebre, ye ties asisu ni ye. Ene no kura so pa so de Ghana ha ayira.
Ya kasi ye tie mu dia questions ni de bebre pastor.
Yeah. Well, accept one no tie. Verse 23 down. Na odi mienu bi begina ho. Joseph our friend no Barnabas a oto ni din Yosto. Any Matthias. Na wo bompa ye say wo wurade a wonim nipa nyina akomam kire emienu ba ko a wayi no se onfa esum yi ani asofodwuma a Judas free hu etere ho no ekọ ono ara ne tebe ani ne chefa no eho se onsom na wo twin tonto ewo wo muso na ntonto no ebo Matia na wo kan no kan asomafo du ba ko no wo Judas is Carol. We yes, my question welcome. Any young people to stay, he need 12 disciples. And you know what I say? We back come. Or probably Papa come. And you know she word no. Then the Bible Brazil come do much. And you are more penfon who say, Debbie, Peter was saying here, Mommy and Tommy and you swabba. Ay, Mommy and you now, near Musa Yankopo. From Eddie, Peter and Cassie and Fawi. Matthew and Cassie and Yusu, ay, Barnabas and that's why. Debbie, na omo de omi enu be gina ho no omo bompa yese ansa no mbeto abanti o omo bompa yese wo awurade nyankopon a unim nipa nyina akomam tie kire yen emnipa yi mienu de wa nkasa wayi no na yemfa ne nkaduma no nasi ena Osum yo twin tonto. That is they cast law. Voting no. And the nipa 11 no. Omu vote 2 year. And the voting call in favor of Matia. There's only majority of the vote. And on the count. There's only nyango by there. And you know. And the year 2 about man you want to say come no. Omu nyam yen nwini ho.
Apostle one now there my main in Kopobia join.
Omu nyam yen nwini ho kura. Dabia ana we be wi.
Apostle be bia o de fa me ba ni ato.
Yo mi wa hapa.
Ko bia kan ye won na ye ne. Yen read the comment.
Yo.
John Atakwesi ni say papa you are right. And Felix appeal say Papa J rest in peace in God's arms. And answer Israel from also say from 1999 to 2000 the level of corruption reduced drastically. But from 2004 no keep it update 2004 to date it has been rising and will even rise more because the laws are not being implemented. We should say we are working out to so no why analysis. I will say sometime na dictatorship will cause what I say we did one we are corrupted now no say one gasano aketuana na wo ba beji no we say na corruption come from there so na saying them there I say ebu so long ka wo sha ebu e dey afaso and apostle and a mercy J also say I just love the man. May his soul rest in peace. On your door, ex-president away free move. Stephen A. Ford also said, this man J.J. Rawlings changed our country. Please, let's mourn and forgive without him. No, Ghana. Legend. Hey, legend. Apostle. Be say we living legacy. Share the way your man for say legend or tears and celebrating it that.
Debbie.
What was Sunny and I no. What we actually answer a legend now we living legacy now we Sunny no. Yeah.
Say Messi. Yes, abusian edofun. Nipa abusian dofun no. What you see ya mwa. What you see ya yo be bia no ya hwe sa. Na wunya wo pe. Afa nipa be ka ho asem papa. Ye be do ye be yi. Mama. Jeremiah 22 verse 10. What's it? Jeremiah 22 verse 10. Me pa cha obi anya so no ti. Unu say they say the economy there. Say me wi na me ba 1999 jeje fira kunwa no so. When you all compare from 2000 to 2020 years in here, and before 2020 now, corruption no, I'm way a ding to 2000.
We are commenting.
Won, and what can we dika? What's it? Munsu of war, na munyamuno, a soon moment of munsu the war chrono. Na on sama emehunu na wasasi. Won, oh, was it young soon to me yamuno, and if Ubi wa aveni ebe kan ho asem pa de wota no kra no be ka bibi pa fa no
na ne no motias na nipa na ya de
nipa su etini ya gogo ya ne tom na bia na ni abre no destroy nipa bebre
just see Ghana the way omubo ex-president John Dramani Mahama ason be ye hwi ye kra asiyam
ono de say opposition for ni nyina eso wa me hwe that's what they say why are there
any your master na we do there ye to as apostle who share a year abrabwa a year ex-president former president Jerry John Rawlings ebe live ya o live exemplary life life yes a man for copy and say the life no live you know and yet to say na man for praising no legacy ni legend ni titles aye dey man no.
Okay. One say me dey mahu o jeje hu ne say Ghana penifo nyina he was the bravest among them. Obia wakukuduro no kutagidie no otimi ayade a onsuru eye jeje warrants dia mena me de penasam na oyobi nso a no kan kore no din kore ho danse eno obi a oti wi ase odi justice ene no kore truth and justice eye adwuma no ye mpo asem we ye de ne ye bega so wasem oden jeje say
you go believe
no eye good oh no ye oh na mom wonu obi enante ya uhunu ni su ene ne bai na no obi enam a ena wo se nipa no ye good anase onye good church ase edi bi jeje de me say Ghana mom ya hwirade wo di ase ya hwirade odupon ena atutu no ena wo kono so no eno anu
about ya da se pan wo mra we nya na me kan comment na ye di si no eye exposing ni some other about say I forgive him though and say or no Felice bia former president or offending no the family in a way na so or their channel and John Atta question say Papa J rest in peace you are still alive or no just you will cry you are still alive Queen M or say keep forgiving I will never forgive obi so say or no problem now, she will never forgive him. And I answer you, I see great words from Stephen. Corruption was very high at that time. I'll say Branton or Katina corruption adults or being so confirm me say corruption to see how they overflow. And I just say stop fooling yourself, polluting the air with your non-fat. Okay, and also me nimunya patron also chile na drink. And I Jonathan Kwesi so say may God remember him in paradise. And apostle say na kwako be break chile ma adwene so ye mre ne ko. It will find out where the bia ne fa to drama ye na ye fancy.
Yo, mercy ya wisha on say owu achide obi animu asem na Onyankopon ho. So be transi papa so ye bone say de owu a wawu ko asamanto aka woni na temu ya okobu na konta kire Onyankopon. But JJ Lawrence in particular ne de no ye very good e ma Ghana. So na de see ya no ya moja gu ye nti ene nipa bebre so na ye gan lie. So enti o man Ghana ye me se ne se mo ye mfa no kure enya dwuma. Ghana ye mpanimfo be semu pa NDC any NPP for misremu mumba no kwengwe akwem na ye mampani a wote akonya so mi nkoto dwagu fom President Nana Akufo-Addo from Nancy form na umpani fo no bi wo hono a wo mu didi gu body sem misraw pa so wa mo nya ne den wa nya kokodro na wa nyere ho a amabo bebo di mbane enso na nya wo a president ne ya no mtae gudu na ministers no eni wo mo edi na chi no ene ma anima ye basa so enti de onyame be ye bia eye na emom ye paso dwie enti omo moaye eme ye hontoye the Ghana for you to know ye bread to depend for unhwe na nima emu na kwem yo midima no besia se de emre no kor ye di akira ade be chi enti apostle adima prempeni me number ni 0544 262614 0544 262614 and 020 7020011 020 7020011 Medama say me mabushafo ya akọ kana nyina ya akọ Onyankopon asomdwie onfa nnum ye ewo Yesu Kristo di mu amen.
Ayo etiefo ahana mbema ye kwan ne edi mu etime ne apostle Adiman Prempe na twetwe enkomo efa issues aba aside owo ya ebepie mu na etiefo ne ahwefo ye wondwumakuo bi omuso ya se Mama Juliet Ventures eba kitchen equipment jese nya wuhia ne se wo ba fa ne number na wa frɛ no obema wo kitchen aye fefefe na fe loan master so o ma loan within 24 hours ne yanto ye government worker wo Ghana ha wo ji wo salary and as from control and the yanto be fe loan master. The loan master is at your service 24/7 everything for discussion your course we wa drink share won anything adventure bi a wo won we just your comment section wo e di amai na fe won subscribe ya bon mo ja na subscribe say that the did you me dey bi e be to dwa won so ubetumi nta aka bi no wetumi akira wa adwen aha ena mbema ye kwan ye di mosi eye munya ba amoson for Mexican na dem dingita ho e be so mu that na ye be san ehia makram.
Yo, too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho ana de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo amobia safa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asodin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe wo subscribe subscribe na subscribe na wo subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pɛ a wo pɛ ne ma papa a wo pɛ ahwɛ nyame
you